Academy. In this video, I'm going to explain lesson 13.1 for grade 5. Use the order of operations to evaluate numerical expressions. Here we start. Now, if we have this expression, for example, I will show you this example here. Now, this numerical expression, it means that we have an operation and we have numbers. So here how I evaluate this expression. I need to follow order of operation to evaluate this expression or this numerical expression. Of course, guys, when I say evaluate, it means you have to find the value. You have to find the value. Now, what is the order of operation? We have to follow an order while we calculating this numeric value of this numerical expression. We first start by parentheses, then multiplication and division from left to right, then addition and subtraction from left to right. I will show you an example for this kind of numerical expressions. Here I will show you an example. First, let me focus on which is the first operation. When you do evaluating a numerical expression, what is the first operation? We always need to remember that the order of operation, we need to evaluate first parentheses, then multiply and divide from left to right, then plus or minus from left to right. Here in question 3 to 7, he didn't ask me to evaluate evaluate a numerical expression. Just we need to name the operation that we should start. Which operation we should start by? For example, number 3, we have 6 plus 27 divide 3. So we need to start by division because, as I mentioned here, in order of operation, we start by parentheses, then division or multiplication, then plus or minus. So division is stronger than addition, so I start by division. So the answer is division. But if I wanted to evaluate it, if I want to evaluate this expression, I have addition and division, but I start by division first. So it will become 6 plus 27 divide 3. 27 divide 3 equals 9. So I will have 6 plus 9 equals 15. So as you can see, we find the value of this expression. Now in number 4, he asked me what is the operation you should do first. In this expression, we have multiplication, we have plus, and we have division. So let me say that division and multiplication is stronger than addition. But now we have multiplication and division. So which one we start first? Of course, we need to start multiplication first because multiplication is on the left. So I have to start first, multiply 5 by 2 equals 10. Then I put plus, then I have 12 divide by 6. Now I am left with division and plus and addition, but division is stronger than addition, so 12 divide 6 equals 2. Now we have 10 plus 2 equals 12. Another example, I will go directly to number 6. In number 6, he asked me, name the operation you should do first. So here I have parentheses. Yes? So I have two parentheses. Here we have 14 minus 7, and we have here 3 plus 5. So because we start the operation inside the parentheses first, So we can do this, because this on the left, we can start by this 14 minus 7, then we do the other parentheses, then we add the two numbers, or the two values. So 14 minus 7 equals 7, plus, and the other parentheses, 3 plus 5 equals 8. So 7 plus 8 equals 15. Now let me show you another example. In number 7, he asked me 4 divide 2 multiply 8. So we have multiplication and division. Because division is on the left, so we start by division. So 4 divide 2 equals 2, then multiply 8 equals 16. So by this, I think it's clear for you. Now he asked me just to name the operation to start by, but I evaluated using the order of operation. Now I give you a last example. Use the order of operation to find the value of each expression. So I'm trying to find now one complicated one, number 15. So we have a lot of operations, but first our eyes should be focused on the parentheses. So I have to subtract first. I ignore all the operations, but I focus on the parentheses. So I have 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 equals 3. So this became 3. Now we have 3 divide 3 plus 4 multiply 2. Now we have division and addition and multiplication. But division is on the left, so, and division is stronger than addition. So we make 3 divide 3 now. 3 divide 3 equals 1. So we have 1 plus 4 multiply 2. Now, so we have plus, addition, and multiplication. But multiplication is before addition, so we multiply 4 by 2 equals 8. So 1 plus 8 equals 9. By this we come to the end of our lesson. Thank you very much.